Hey everybody, happy Sunday. This is Melissa, and I'm here to review more softwares and things that can help you work from home, make passive income, grow your business, affiliate marketing, learning from what I've done and things that make me income from home. And I'm here to help you on your income journey and help you create what I can only hope is something you're looking to do, like I am, a laptop lifestyle. So get ready for the software review of ProStock. So ProStock, as I scroll down here, has 50 million stock media, cloud-based video, audio, and image editor, plus a free agency license, and they're giving away bonuses, 12 bonuses worth a little over 10K. So they are really looking to help their potential buyers with great content, great resources to grow your business. So basically, with this ProStock, you are able to create content for your blog, your website, YouTube channel. You can promote your business, products, or services, build out your own unique freelancing portfolio, and make money by selling stock photos, footage, and videos. You can make presentations for free and build beautiful websites much quicker. So let's also go down to, I'm going to scooch my picture up here. So here's kind of a little with or without ProStock. You have an image such as this lovely lady here, and then with ProStock you can really advertise it out. You can add your logo, your social media, background, contact information and website, and really have some great fonts to work with. It's $16.95 right now. However, there is an early bird special of $3 off. So grab that in my link, and that will very much benefit having a $13 software system that can give you so much value, plus those $10,000 worth of bonuses that would be included with that purchase before they run out. So ProStock at this, there's when it pops up, grab it. Oh, it does not want me to go up. All right, so let's scroll down a little bit. So you can own 25 million stock images and videos. You don't have to worry about copyright, infringements, or anything like that when you're trying to find good photos. And it is that you have 30,000 4K videos in various categories that you have access to, premium searchable high-def stock videos, stock images, 30,000 searchable illustrations in 50 plus categories, 50,000 plus gifs. They have 10,000 stickers, 10,000 textures and pattern backgrounds. So it's essential for websites or background images for social media. You get to have animated and static icons, 50,000 plus motion videos. You get green screen videos, 20,000 plus music in 30 plus categories that are all royalty free, 10,000 plus sound effects. You get the high quality vector graphics, animated text generator. You will get a premium cloud-based one-click image editor, and a one-click video editor, and a one-click music editor. And then it's got a built-in social media traffic generator. And your first fast action bonus is a commercial license, normally $99. With the purchase today, it is free. Bonus 2 is agency license with sub-user access. So if you're working in teams, they will have access. You can all work together to grow your business quicker. Normally $197, it is free. Bonus number 3, you get an additional 4,500 graphics pack. Bonus number 4, 1,000 plus premium fonts. Bonus 5, you get 3,000 plus pro logo templates. Bonus number 6, 500 viral quote images. So viewers love those types of things. It really builds your brand and your people start to notice quickly. So it's great to have viral quote images. Bonus number 7, affiliate marketing templates. As an affiliate marketer, it is so wonderful not to have to consistently build out off your website a template. So it's really of value to add this within ProStock being what it is and giving you access to remarkable templates. Then we have the fast action bonus number 8, 200 plus 4K stock videos. Bonus action number 9, 700 plus motion background videos. Number 10, 5,000 plus eye-popping vectors. Then we've got Arvo reseller and Livio reseller. So what that is, I'm going to hop up to the bonuses really quickly so I can so let's talk about the number 12 bonus, Livio reseller. So you can promote Livio and keep 100% of the commissions on that entire funnel. 10 buyers can make up to almost $5,000 your own online business in minutes. They'll set you up 100%, which would include 100 accounts for Livio, which you can sell and keep 100% of the profits, and they do everything for you. So then with the bonus number 11 that also had reseller rights, which was Arvo, another unlimited free traffic from other people's videos in 60 minutes. It's 100% legal and also newbie friendly. Dominate page number 1 today without making those videos, without making websites, without techie stuff. No more cost other than it's part of your bonus package. So awesome. The only traffic and profit software you'll ever need, which includes 100 accounts of Arvo, which you can sell and keep all of the profits. Again, they'll do everything for you. I'm just going to pop up here and kind of go backwards on these bonuses. Bonus 10 was those eye-popping, 5,000 plus eye-popping vectors. So it's a gold mine of royalty-free vector graphics in both PNG and SVG format. It maximizes your reach, drives more traffic, and you build this giant list of customers who are responding within a blink at much lower price than paying for just one bonus. So all the graphics, they're assorted by the company, representing 150 plus in-demand niches, marketing niches that are 100% royalty free. You don't ever need to worry about copyright issues. That is such a bonus. 10 is like a gold mine bonus. Number 9 bonus, the motion background videos. So they have 700 plus of these that will really bring your audience's attention to you. You can be on the videos or audio presentations, mix and match them in the background, and they'll provide the package with the master resell rights so that you can sell it to other people who are looking to do exactly what you're trying to do, and then you're just making money. Bonus number 8, you've got the 200 plus 4K UHD stock videos. So this is a never before seen 4K Ultra HD stock videos. They're premium quality videos. That it's just going to give you that little bit more, and they're perfect for any type of work, any type of video work. So the affiliate marketing template, which is bonus number 7. They are ready-made, and they will help you in every way of the affiliate marketing path, because they want you to earn money while you're sleeping. Who doesn't? So then let's go up here to 6, 500 viral quote images, eye-catching images. They're in formats of JPEGs, PNGs, PSDs, and AI to make editing super simple. They keep them really neatly organized in more than 5 niches to target a wide variety of audiences. So that in and of itself is a completely turnkey business opportunity. Bonus number 5, 3,000 plus pro level logo templates. So if you can get your hands on these striking collections of the pro level logo templates, 4 different file formats, PSD, AI, JPEG, and EPS, and then you can use them to create new logo designs super fast, and it just makes your brand take it up 5 notches. It's amazing. We have Fast Action Bonus 4 is 1,000 premium fonts. Everybody wants their fonts to stand out. So when you are making your logos, they are going to look super professional. Any graphics or web design projects can be implemented here with your business cards, banners, posters. So many things can be implemented with premium fonts. And then we're going to jump up to bonus 3, the graphic packs, which have avatar animations, 3D e-covers, Facebook timeline covers, background images, PPT covers, affiliate banners. I mean, there's just so much you can get to your clients or your own business. It is of great value to incorporate this with your business. And then again, we've got that hurry up and grab. Bonus 2 is with your license, you can give access to your team so they can all work together and work on this project. And finally, the bonus number 1 we have is commercial license. So it allows you to use your resources and that you can use it for personal or commercial projects without any restrictions. I hope you enjoyed my review video of ProStock. Such an amazing product. Get that business up and running. Tell me how it's working for your income journey. And I want to see some results, some income results. Put them in my comments, grab my link. Talk soon.